Hello and welcome to Julabo. My name is Alex and today I will show you why the Presto W56 is so special in our highly dynamic temperature control systems range. It is our most powerful single-stage system with a technical innovation that allows pressure tempering with water glycol mixtures up to a working temperature of plus 150 degrees Celsius. To achieve such a high temperature with water glycol, you only need a small accessory that is mounted on the back of the Presto W56. This temperature expansion kit can be used to create a slight overpressure in the system. This pressure overlay increases the boiling point of the temperature control medium, and the range of applications can thus be extended. You may know the principle from your pressure cooker at home. The magnetically coupled pump enables optimal adaptation of the pump performance to the application, even over long distances and differences in height, as well as in pressure-sensitive applications. Since the cooling capacity is automatically adjusted to the current power requirement, the Presto W56 operates very economically and energy efficient. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.